Guys, my computer get affected by an IIS virus. Let me show you what IIS virus is actually look like. You see all my files, whether it's a PNG, PDF and zip, all are being converted into this file extension IISA. So this is a ransomware attack, and what I need to do first is go into the safe mode, and then you go into the taskbar, and what you will find that here is unknown yes, unknown app is running here, unknown applications is running. So we need to first disable them and then remove from the startups, and in my case I already done this stuff. So yes, so guys, here is some online solutions that given. So let me go one by one. First, what will happen is you will see this kind of folder all in your computer. So let me show you that all of my folders and file are being just like that, right? So you can't see anything. So it's all with the extension IISA, and at the end they release some notes. Here you can find at every you will find them in every folder, like they leave. For example, in my only, yeah, here is the readme, and if you read this note, it says that don't worry, you can return all your effect files. So what you need to do is you need to pay them 490, and there is the email they are telling us to contact, and here is some ID of our personal ID. Now don't pay them, right? Don't pay them, and if you pay, you are boosting them to, so that they can do it more. Don't pay them. So what are the solutions we have? So let's go one by one. First of all, you will see this kind of notes, this kind of all stuff. You can't open any one of your folders, and here is seen here, and when you open, you see this kind of notes. So let's see what are the removal process we have. Remove ISS ransomware virus and recover your file. How you will do it? Many steps are happen there. First is start Windows in a safe mode with networking, right? Connect with your network and start with the safe mode. Now how to start safe mode? First, what you can do, press your power button, and then press F8, and then you will see this advanced boot options, and then safe mode with networking, right? You go with safe mode with networking and then press enter, and yeah, after that what you will do is click on Windows start menu and then power button. Press down the power button on the keyboard and press down the hold shift key. So hold the shift key and select restart option. So first is power button, press down power button, start menu, then press button power button. On the keyboard, press down, I mean first is click on shift and then restart options, and you will see this is open. So this will take you Windows troubleshoot screen shot, and here you have to select this troubleshoot, then advanced options, and then you will click on the restart. So if you can't find startup settings, then see more, and here is what is you will see in the next. So in the startup settings, F1 and F9, and safe mode with networking. In case of it is F5. So in the step 2, remove file associated with virus. First, what you have to do is in order to use system restore, you must have system restore point. Create either manually or automatically. Boot Windows in safe mode with command prompt using system restore. Okay. So boot Windows in safe mode with command prompt. So how you will do it using command prompt? Here is it shown. We don't need. We have Windows 10, and here is how you will do. Windows start menu, shift button, plus restart, and then you will get into that. And after that, start system restore process. So yes, here is the way you can restore. So write down this command cd restore, enter, then rstrui.ex. You write it down here, you see here, and then enter, and then type system root percent system 32 restore. You here is it's written, right? So yes, you write it down and then launch this system restore and then click next. Yes, what are the antiviruses that we need after that, after completing restore? I have many. I try them. Now you can scan with anti-malwarebytes or system machine ultimate defenders, or you can have Hitman Pro or Casper, or many are in the list. It's not in the counter. So any one of them good. That's good. Now how to decrypt IS file. Now whatever the files you have, how you can get them back, that is what the question is. After removing your virus, your ransomware from your computer, restoring your computer, now this is the way you can do. So first what you will do, fix and open large ISS file. How you will do, so create a copy of encrypted file, fix and open large file easily. So it is reported that where version encrypted only the being 150 KB of each file to ensure that the virus managed to affect all the file systems. In some cases, the malicious program might skip some files at all, and said we recommended test these methods on several big 1 GB files first. So create a copy of encyclopedia encrypted file with using copy paste command, and now right click on the create and rename, select IS extension, delete and press enter. Like for example, in my case, let me show you how you can do it. So you have done with all this, you delete them, you uninstall them. So as I said, I restore your computer. Now what you will do, if possible, let's see how you can do it. For example, I have a very big file here. You see, size is 37, National Startup Award 2020. Now it is a PDF file. If I did it PDF, then yes, let's see whether it's work or not. No, no, no. I hope it will work. No, it's not working. No. Okay, so one thing I want to say is yeah, right. And then after that, like wait. So we need this software to be download. First is we uninstall them, we remove them. So how you did this, first let me show you from here. And after that, what you have to do is go into your startup on the taskbar and then disable them, and then first go in the process of this taskbar, then end all these unknown tasks and then disable them. And what you have to do, go in that task schedule. How to go in the task schedule? Just go in the your control. Here is controller. Go into the control panel and search taskbar, and you will find it, task schedule. After that, delete this time trigger, and first is how to remove this virus is go into that file locations that is on the startup menu that listed, and then delete. It will not delete. So first what you have to go, you have to change the access first. So first is go in the file locations and then use security, click on the security where this they did, and then change this everyone and disable inheritance, and then convert, and that's all. Okay, now after that what you have to do, so yes, I did it. Okay, I did this. Then install this antivirus, run it. Fine. Now how to decrypt is file? So what we have to do, we have to install this EMSI soft. Actually, I want to say that all over the world, intelligence develop many keys and antivirus or tools to fight against this malware, and they are the like no more ransomware, no more ransomware project, no more ransomware project we need. Yeah, I mean offline. Guys, here is the no more ransom project. So they actually, here are many in big investors, I mean a company, they are invested in this site like McAfee, Amazon, Casper. So they build this community site, and they also build the tools and available for free for them, for people. So any kind of attack happens, so we can go into this crypto shift, and first is and then upload the file that we have, like first is the Redmi that demanding money, then we send the file, and we send the file and then go find, and we will what we'll see. For example, let me show you, like here is for me, in my case it's a Redmi. Here Redmi file, second file. Okay, no, I need to install a corrupt file. So for example, here I upload all, and what they are asking for is type below or upload the file. Okay, I will upload this readme text file. Here is readme text file, and then I go find. They will automatically tell us that what are the attacks that being happen with us. Okay. No, it's not work. I need to try again. Upload readme and go find. Huh? It's not working. First file I gave you, the second file I gave you, upload, go and find. Need help? Okay, another way we can go is ID ransomware. Here is the site, it will automatically find us. So here is ID ransomware site. Go on that site and upload the readme file or any file that you have ransom notes, that is called ransom notes. Bolo. Guys, as you see, after uploading my sites, I got this first is I upload this one, and then I will see this. Yes, the result is shows that this is a DJUV attack, stop DJUV. So I will download this, and here is a, if I click here, so I will automatically download this. So this ransomware file is a DJUV attack. Now what I will do, as I show, I will download this Emisoft decryptor, and then I run it. And basically what happened, there are many things can be happen, like it may work, it may not work. For my case it's not working because my ID is not yet discovered, and it's an online variant. So it's not able to, I unable to decrypt my file. I have to wait until they found any solutions for them for that. So yeah, I can't decrypt my file, but in case of you, it may be possible that you may decrypt them. Another way, like we have Shadow Explorer. Shadow Explorer, we have to repair the file, or PhotoRack. So both are good, but it's not working for me because I am not able to decrypt it, and recovery process is not working as it is, as it showed. So yeah, install Hitman Pro in your computer, run it to get any kind of app, you can go on that getintopc.com. That will help you. So yes, keep follow this web, this site, to know more. And it's my bad luck that I am not able to crack my own, because I need to wait until they found any kind of because while I run this, let me show you how. Downloads, I have these programs like, yeah, decryptor, stop DJUV. So I run it and it will show you. Let me show you how it works. In my case, I agree and okay. And first is clear objects and add folder. Add folder, I will add a file. For example, I have a PDF, some PDF, or in this some PDF. Okay, and decrypt. File is going to decrypt, and here you see that error, no key or new variant online ID. Note, this ID appear to be an online ID. Decryption is impossible. Decryption is impossible. So I can't decrypt this one. It is an online variant online. So yes, it's my bad. What I can do, I can run, and I am already running my Hitman Pro, and I'm keep looking my taskbar that is there any suspicious app is running or not, and if what they are running, then I have to take action immediately, otherwise they may attack again furthermore. Or best is, reinstall your Windows, and that will be more helpful for you. So don't go and waste your time, and if this process is not work, there is no other way to do that. Otherwise, but don't pay. If you pay, then this economy will boost more. They will encourage to do it more. So I hope you get some sort of informations that about this ransomware project, and this ID ransomware. So find out what kind of ransomware is attacking you. So both websites are very helpful. You can try. I spent almost 3 years. Still, I'm not getting found my solutions. I waste all of my 3 days without, and I can't solve them. So keep watching, and if you have any kind of solutions, please send me. I hope in the future I will able to decrypt my file. So I'm very hopeful, and I'm waiting for that. So yes, otherwise no options for me. So keep watching, and thanks for watching, and don't download any unauthorized app, especially the Opera web browsing software and BitTorrent. So they are the most corrupted. In every cases, whenever I thought like downloading the from torrent, they are the who push ransomware and all kind of stuff. So be aware about them, and fuck them, and thanks for watching, and keep watching.